Hi guys, welcome back to Baking Fiat. Today we're going to be making shepherd's pie. So we're going to start with some mashed potatoes that we're going to make. If you want to stop there, just eat mashed potatoes, add some bacon. That's what I do. Go ahead. But we're having shepherd's pie for dinner. So, welcome to What's for Dinner. So in a large bowl with cold water, we're peeling yellow potatoes today, right? I just use any potato that I have in my kitchen. Doesn't matter, I don't care. It's a potato. In a large pot, I have water that is nicely seasoned with salt and pepper on a medium-high heat. We're just peeling our potatoes. In the industry, we take off any brown bits to make it extra white and creamy. If I'm making just mashed potatoes though, I like to keep the skin on because it gives texture. It's my preference though. Skin and bacon, favorite way to do it. Delicious. Potato skins are where the nutrients are at, so get it. The difference between shepherd's pie and cottage pie is shepherd's pie is made with lamb, cottage pie is made with beef, so we're using beef today. Ergo, cottage pie. I'm using a 5-pound bag. You only need 2 pounds for this. I'm just using the rest for, mashed potatoes for the week. Yummy. Let's chop the potatoes now. Be careful, don't chop off your fingers now, eh? So I'm quartering them. So let's season the water in our big pot with salt and pepper and then bring it to a boil. It's just gonna make our potatoes cook faster. Smaller the potato, quicker the time. Smaller the potato when you're peeling, longer the time. So I like to flip them so they're flat when I'm cutting. So why not surprise your special someone with dinner? Look, honey, aren't you happy? I made dinner. And honestly, they don't have to know how easy this is. And it's quick. Like, you got kids, this is gonna be so quick. Not like the quickest meal you could ever make. But it's quick, it's healthy, it's tasty. My mom used to make a lot growing up. Okay, it's been like 15-20 minutes on medium-high heat. We're taking a fork, stabbing through. Now that it's ready, let's drain the water. Okay, back in. Okay, let's season. So I'm gonna use a heaping teaspoon and a half of garlic powder, 1 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. We're going to use half a liter of cream. We're mashing it all together. We're using half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay, so a little bit of chunky in your mashed potatoes is fine. Like if you want it creamier, just keep mashing. Go at it. With my older roommates, we used to have family dinner night. Typically, like once a month, I'd say. And our go-to was having mashed potatoes with it. So we're gonna put that aside. Okay, so in a large skillet, we're heating up some olive oil. We have some shallots. You can use onion. I'm just trying to use up some shallots. Dice them up. I have 7 little shallots. You can use half an onion. So let's just saute that. Okay, so I'm putting in 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Also, about 1/4 teaspoon of coriander, whole coriander seeds. So I'm just toasting some of our seasonings with the onion. Mashed potatoes, mashed potatoes. So we're adding in 3 cloves of garlic. Just gonna saute that real quick. Don't be hesitant to add some more olive oil if you feel it's going to start burning. Okay, so we're taking about 2 pounds of ground beef. Let's just mash that in there to start cooking it. I put a cube of chicken broth in that I've frozen, but you don't need it. Okay, we're going back to medium-high. We're searing the beef. Yeah, let's add all of it, bud. Okay, so we're taking about a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Let's add in our 1/2 cup of frozen vegetables. I like to use the mix that has the peas, carrots, and corn. I also have the one with the beans. You can use pretty much anything. I don't recommend using the California mix with like their cauliflower and broccoli and stuff. Delicious, good for you, but it's not really what we're looking for. Frozen vegetables really make this so much quicker. Now make sure not to keep your frozen vegetables in your freezer too long. They start to get this real yucky taste. It's so gross. It just tastes like dirty water. Okay, we're tasting. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, I would add more chili. Okay, now that the beef is done, we're just fully cooked, and it's fully cooked. We're just draining it into our pie plate and spreading it evenly. Now we're gonna scoop the mashed potatoes on top of the beef and spread it. Okay, so I'm going to take some Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese, just sprinkling it on. It's going in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes, just until the cheese is nice and toasty. Okay, our 10 minutes is up. Isn't that a very beautiful cottage pie? So let's cut a slice. It's so yummy. I love me some mashed potatoes. If you're thinking wine pairing for cottage pie, we're using a Merlot for dinner. I like it. Do you like it? How is it?
Very nice.
Oh, good. Okay, bye. Okay, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Baking Fiat out. Don't forget to ring that bell. You know you wanna.